me 1 cup of locally available raw rice that I've rinsed under water. I will now measure 3 cups of water in the same measuring cup and add it to the rice. For a fine grain basmati rice, you will add 2 cups of water. You can adjust the water levels based on how it turns out when you cook the first time. The amount of water you add also depends upon how old the rice is. The older the rice, the more water it takes to cook. Cover the pan with its weight on and cook the rice on high heat until you hear a couple of whistles. Simmer for approximately 3 minutes and turn off the heat, and your rice will be ready. Open the cooker only when the pressure from the cooker is completely released. Notice that the rice is perfectly cooked and fluffy. This soft texture of rice is perfect to have with sambar, vattakurambu and other curries.